Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you all Lippan art, which is also known as mud and mirror work or Lippan Kam. Lippan art is a traditional mural craft native to the Kutch region of Gujarat, India. The word Lippan translates to apply or to smear. Lippan art requires a flat base, modeling clay, mirrors, adhesive and a new finishing supplies. The medium required is a dough-like mixture of clay, cow dung, camel dung to create raised relief patterns and structural insulation to keep the homes cool in the arid desert heat. But of course, I haven't used any of these to make my Lippan art because I couldn't find all of these. I have made a simple Lippan art and for which I have used an old frame, M-seal, but you can also use Fevicryl molded. I would suggest you all to use Fevicryl molded because that would be easier. Then common stationery stuff, Fevicol, a knife or a blade. Then varnish, paints, brushes, small or all sizes, like small sizes or any size bases your frame or your artwork. We need the mirrors, ceramic powder and water. As usual, I have taken an old frame. I mixed ceramic powder with Fevicol and water and applied the powder all over the old frame as a base. And once that was dry, I took common like a scale and a pencil and measured the frame and also drew circles with compass because that is my main base for the Lippan art that I'll be doing. I made the borders and the circle and then I used M-seal and then I made strings out of the M-seal and then pasted it on the circles that I drew on the base. Once that was ready, I after the entire M-seal work was done on the base on the frame, I then pasted the mirrors on the frame. And because I wanted to keep it very simple, I didn't wanted this to be colorful. Once this was dry, like the M-seal and the mirrors were dry, what I did was I took a little one drop of green color and lots of 4-5 drops or 6 drops of white paint. I mixed it only just for a shade which won't be, I think, that visible here in the video. But when you use this one drop of green paint or any paint and completely the second color would be white color, you will be able to see the entire frame white, which is what I wanted. You can also just leave it like that and only use one color or multiple colors. Mainly when we do such kind of crafts, we have to only use max 3 colors. But here, because I stated earlier that I wanted a very simple frame because I actually wanted it to look a Lippan art, and if we add more colors to it, of course it will show Lippan art only, but then that would have become a different design. So I properly wanted to show only Lippan work, which is the mirror and the mud work. So the mud basically here is not mud, but which is the M-seal and the mirrors, and that is the reason I wanted the entire frame to be just of one color, and hence I used the white paint. And then once, like I stated, once the mirrors were pasted and the M-seal was dry, I painted the entire frame with white color and white paint. And once that was also dry, I then applied varnish to the entire frame and let it dry for 24 hours, and I kept it aside to dry, and that's it. My Lippan art frame is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.